Hi everyone, welcome to the Grace Life DIY Home Decor. Now, before I get started, I wanted to wish one of our YouTube sisters who has a birthday today. I want to wish her a happy birthday. And this is Deborah Cabasa, Home Living. So I just pray blessings over you. And I hope that you enjoy your day with family and friends. And God bless you many, many more. All right, guys, so here I am decorating in black and gold today. Now, if this is your first time visiting my channel, I want to say welcome. I hope that you like my video and I hope that you stay and subscribe. And for all of you who've been with me for a while or even from the very beginning, I so thank you from the bottom of my heart for supporting my channels. Now, this video today is Tablescape Tuesdays, and that's my favorite time of the week. Today we have a guest, and it's I Style My Style. I'm so happy and excited. And then she has a theme, which is black and gold. So let's see what I can do here. Now, if you guys haven't been over to check out I Style My Style, what a beautiful channel she has. Absolutely love her decor styling. I also love her hauls, and I definitely love her DIYs. Now, don't forget to head on over there, subscribe, make sure you like, comment, and share her videos. You will not be disappointed, guys. She's amazing. Now I'm starting out here with those chargers that came from Hobby Lobby, and those the dinnerware came from Walmart, and it's absolutely gorgeous. I'm gonna leave you to a little bit of music so you can enjoy this tablescape. Now make sure, guys, and head on over to my community tab, where there you're going to see the calendar of collaborations that I have for the month. It's so much fun. So we are currently doing the last minute DIYs or last minute decorating, and that is an open playlist till Christmas Day. We are having so much fun. Now for this tablescape, I wanted to go with the colors, but I also wanted to go simple. So let's see how this turns out. I fell in love with these peacocks, and I had to use them as embellishment for the tablescape. Okay, so we are lighting the candles. Let's head on over to the reveal. I'm so excited. Okay, so I am absolutely loving this tablescape, and I hope that Cheryl from My Style likes this too. If you like the video, click like, share, and comment. Don't forget to subscribe, guys, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you can get notified each and every time I upload a video. Have an amazing day, guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Also, Debbie, have a great and awesome birthday. Celebrate the whole day. Amen. Enjoy your blessings moment by moment, because tomorrow's not promised to anyone. Amen. Now, I did want to wish everybody a happy holiday season. Make sure and stay safe. Make sure to be a blessing to someone else. And may God bless you always. Now, as you can see here, I could not resist taking a closer look. So let's enjoy this.